Hello and welcome to Indian Markets Unveiled, the podcast where we decode the Indian financial markets. The Indian markets at present are showing signs of concern as there is a lot of news flow from the global front as well. But there is an opportunity in every situation. There is a blessing in every disguise. Do you wish to tap that opportunity? If yes, listen to this podcast till the end. A quick reminder to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss our daily insights. Hello everyone, it's 21st of September 2023 and we have got a lot to cover today in the midday market mood. But before that, we are happy to inform that our exclusive research is giving fruitful returns to our customers. If you wish to avail the same, we invite you to join us. Let's begin by taking a quick look at the Indian markets at present. So taking a connect from the US events, the US Fed Reserve held interest rates steady on expected lines and hardened its hawkish stance, sending global markets lower. And that is an eventual impact which we did see in the Indian markets also. The Indian equity benchmark buckled under selling pressure for the third straight session on 21st September after the US Federal Reserve maintained the status quo in its policy meeting, but indicated that interest rates will remain higher for longer. So another session where we did witness pressure. The selling by FIs and elevated crude oil prices added to the gloom. If we take a look at the current scenario, the Sensex is trading around 600 points down at 66,254, while the broader Nifty slumped around 145 points at 19,756. Take a mark that all the banking stocks are also trading in red with concern signs, and we see that Bank Nifty is also showing signs of challenges. A total of 1,702 stocks advanced. On the other side, 1,736 stocks declined and 188 counters remained unchanged on the BSE. If we understand the market sector-wise, IT, FMCG, auto, financial services, banks, capital goods and consumer discretionary were all the sectors which were trading in red. So along with the indices, the sector-specific approach for the markets today was also gloomy. While energy, realty, oil and gas, metal and services logged some gains, but the gains were not supporting the market as they should. The mid-cap and small-cap indices tried to inch up a bit, but that was not enough to support the market. If we have a look at the stock-specific approach, Mahindra & Mahindra is the top laggard, followed by ICICI Bank, TCS, Bajaj Finserv, ITC, HCL Technologies and Tata Motors. Only two stocks are trading in green at present, where Tech Mahindra and Tata Steel show some signs of support. Don't forget that along with the ups and downs in the market, the IPO market is all set up and running. Another entry, sewerage solution provider EMS Limited made a strong debut on the bourses today, listing at 33.67% premium to its issue price. The stock started trading on the NSE at 282 and on the BSE at 281.55, while its issue price was 211. If we try and understand that what are the major challenges for the Indian markets today, or during this week, the first is the global concerns, the triggers coming in from the global markets, which are clearly indicating and giving an eventual impact to the Indian markets. On the other hand, the FI is selling. And for Nifty, the biggest drag will be more FI selling in response to the rising dollar and US bond yields. Also, don't forget the energy pack, because that is also a clear sign of concern, wherein we did see that crude also is clearly indicating concerns for the markets. Domestic consumption stories like automobile, hotel and real estate are on strong wicket as we see some signs of positivity, and the capital goods segment has been witnessing buying in recent weeks, even when FIs are sellers in the market. On the other hand, PSU banks are likely to witness new buying on decline since their valuations are attractive and prospects look good. So the midday market mood indicates that the indices are extending losses as hawkish Fed and FIs selling way. Another trading session, the third straight trading session where we did witness that the markets are showing signs of declines. So clearly at present, there is a lot happening in the markets, but there is a scenario where you'll find an opportunity. How will you make the most of it? How will you find an investment? How will you clear a scenario where you can see an opportunity? This is what the market trend looks like, which is a concern, which is a downfall at present. And this week had been a week for the Indian markets. But how do we make the most of it? How do we find the right approach in this scenario? The answer is by reaching out to us. We have our exclusive research services which has proven to be successful. Reach out to us and see the performance of our research services. Make the most of it. Make the right decision. To avail our exclusive services, we invite you to join us. Just click on the link below and that's it. Fill in your basic details and our team will reach out to you. Let us together explore the world of wealth creation. Thank you.